Okay, one of the most frequently asked questions that I get as I'm traveling around doing my trunk shows is everybody says, I've got a whole box full of grandma's doilies and I don't know what to do with them. Can I put them into a quilt? And my answer is absolutely yes. So this is part of the petting zoo, the touching part of my exhibit, and I'm showing you how you can actually quilt a crocheted doily. You're going to take a 3-layer quilt sandwich and you're going to quilt it with, let's say, an easy background. Then you can take the doily. I actually put a light layer of spray basting on the back of it, place it on top of the pre-quilted quilt sandwich, and then I hand stitch it and I add beads and pearls to it to attach it down. You don't ever want to quilt a crocheted lace doily because you flatten it out. The beautiful part of lace is the texture, and by quilting it, it gets flat. So this is an exhibit piece that I did showing what you can do with some crocheted doilies. So these were some beautiful pieces I received from Renee Merrill as a gift. I pieced together some fancy silk fabrics that I had into a crazy quilt background. I attached all of the doilies with the beads and buttons. Took me almost a year of handwork on a lot of plane rides, but I love how it showed off the handwork of the nuns that created it. The back of it, I added my grandmother's wedding button to the hanging sleeve on the back, and I named this I Do because this commemorates the 40 years of marriage to the love of my life, Kent. Okay, I hope this has provided some inspiration for you on what you can do with antique doilies, and I look forward to seeing you at a future AQS show. Thank you.